Here's how to see video preview on the iPhone. Let me explain it in this video and let's get started. But if this is your first time here on Foxtecc, make sure you subscribe so you never miss anything important. So of course it depends on what you mean specifically by that. But if you mean like a video where you're, for example, uploading this to some kind of platform, or even if you're just normally browsing your videos in the gallery, whenever you see the grid view, you can most likely just hold it down on the individual things like the videos or the photos, and when you hold it down on it, a little preview is gonna pop up, right? So the thing that you can see when you hold it down on the video is basically the preview. So you didn't like open at the video fully, but you only held it down on it and the preview is just like played to you, and that's probably the thing that you wanted to do. In other cases, you can also use the photos, the videos within the Files app. And in there, if you have something stored, you can as well just hold it down on it and click on it, the quick look, which is like a little preview of that. Or you can also open it with the preview. So there is like a dedicated preview app, but that's mostly for documents. It's not really for the videos, right? So yeah, there are these options which we have available. I would really appreciate your feedback below. If that's the thing that you had in mind, I really hope that I can explain it very quickly in this video. But if not, let me know about that below in the comments. But thanks a lot for watching, and I'm going to catch you later in the next videos as well.